Are you wondering if uMobix is the right monitoring app for iPhone? In this video, I'll review how uMobix works on iPhones, its features, and why it's one of the best tools for keeping your loved ones safe. Plus, I've included a free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, to help you enhance your online security skills. The link is in the description. Let's dive in. uMobix is a powerful monitoring app designed to give parents and guardians full visibility into a child's digital life. With its iPhone compatibility, you can track calls and text messages, social media activity, including WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, GPS location and travel history, browser history, and online searches. uMobix simplifies monitoring with an easy setup and an intuitive dashboard. uMobix uses the iCloud backup system to sync data from the target device to your account. Here's how it works. 1. No physical access required. If you have the iCloud credentials of the target device, you can install uMobix remotely. 2. Real-time updates. Once connected, the app pulls data in real time, so you're always up to date. 3. 100% stealth mode. The app operates discreetly, ensuring no one knows it's there. This makes uMobix ideal for those who want seamless monitoring without the need for physical installation. With uMobix on iPhone, you get access to call and SMS monitoring, view call logs and read texts, social media insights, track activity across multiple platforms, GPS tracking, locate your child in real time and view their travel routes, browser history, check what websites are visited. While some advanced features like live camera access are only available for Android, the iPhone version of uMobix offers comprehensive tools for effective monitoring. uMobix stands out because of its ease of use. The setup process is simple and quick. Real-time monitoring. Data updates keep you informed at all times. Secure connection. All data is handled securely to protect privacy. Affordable plans. Flexible subscription options to suit your needs. Ready to get started? Try uMobix risk-free with their 7-day free trial using the link in the description. Take control of your loved one's digital safety today. Don't forget to download your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, for expert tips on online security. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about using uMobix on iPhone, leave them in the comments below. Check the description for the free ebook and trial link. See you in the next video.